Welcome back to this video. Now you can see we need to change, or maybe rather we need to convert this mesh into a polygon mesh, right? So first of all, we have to go to this modify option, and you can see we have this convert option in here, and this is the nerve to polygon, right? So don't click on this. You have to go inside of this, and you can see I have told you that whenever you are seeing any kind of options, you have to reset it. You never know that what is there or not. So this is a very safer side that I use this thing a lot. So now what you need to do is you have to use this quad, and this is count. Quad and count is extremely important in this case. So count means is that how many polys you will be having in here. So this is 200 is fine for me. So apply this. So we are getting the error because we have not selected it, and apply. Now we have got a new one, new geometry kind of thing. So I can make it hidden. Now very easily I can get rid of this thing. So I don't need to press H key. All right, so now you can see we have the the container converted into a polygon, and this is the blue arrow we have here, and make it inside, something like this. So this is how you can get a thickness. All right, and you can see there is no hole in it, a very tiny hole. You can easily fix it. Not a problem. And now here you can see that it is not also a big problem, but I can make it something like that, right? So always do the work neat and tidy kind of thing. So now we need to have some smoothness in it, so we can have a single smooth, and fantastic. Alt-Shift-D is to clear your history. So this is edit, and you have this Alt-Shift-and-D key. So when it is done, like you can see, we have got what you need to have, and then of course you need to delete all the histories you have in your shape, right? So this is the cup we have here. So you can rename this kind of thing. Okay, so this is how we can create a nice cup with a proper scaling inside Maya. In the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to create another geometry which is essential for this course. See you in the next lecture.